Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best straws is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for enjoying your favorite beverages, especially when you're using those popular 16-ounce cups. Whether you're sipping on a refreshing iced coffee, a creamy smoothie, or a simple glass of water, the right straw can elevate your drinking experience, making it more convenient and enjoyable. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of disposable straws designed specifically for 16-ounce cups to help you find the perfect match for your daily hydration and beverage needs. Number 5. Fit Meal Prep 16-ounce clear plastic cups with lids, 50-pack. Crafted from high-quality, durable PET plastic, these cups are built to last. They are sturdy, unbreakable, and reusable, offering a reliable choice for your beverages. Our lids provide a tight seal to prevent leaks and spills, especially when your cup is full. This makes them perfect for on-the-go use and transporting drinks with confidence. Get the best value with our pack of 50 cups. They are ideal for stocking up for daily use, parties, or for your business needs like cafes and restaurants. Showcase your delicious drinks with exceptional clarity. These cups make milkshakes, juices, and other cold beverages look even more appealing. From parties and outdoor events to daily use at your cafe, these cups are versatile. They are also recyclable, making them an environmentally conscious choice. What we like. These cups are built to last, offering a sturdy and reliable option for any cold beverage. The tight seal lids are a lifesaver for busy individuals or for events where spills are a concern. If you're looking for a dependable and safe choice for parties or daily use, these are a great pick. What people say. The straws are the perfect size for my 16 ounces cups. These straws are very sturdy and do not bend easily. They are individually wrapped, which is great for hygiene. Number 4. SafeWare Clear Disposable Plastic Cups 16 ounces. Introducing our 16 ounces disposable cups, complete with secure lids and convenient straws. They offer an upscale feel, perfect for any occasion, from coffee shops to personal use. These cups are incredibly versatile, ideal for a wide range of cold beverages. Enjoy your iced coffee, smoothies, cocktails, and more with ease. Our cups are made from BPA-free, 100% recyclable materials. They are non-toxic and designed to preserve the taste and aroma of your drinks. Designed with a secure lid, these cups effectively prevent spills. They are perfect for outdoor events, parties, or any situation where convenience is key. Despite being disposable, these cups are built to be sturdy and durable. They ensure a premium drinking experience while making cleanup incredibly simple. This pack includes 100 sets, ensuring you have plenty for any gathering. They are restaurant quality and perfect for parties, BBQs, and everyday use. What we like. This pack offers incredible value with 100 sets, ensuring you're always prepared for gatherings or busy service. The inclusion of straws makes it a convenient all-in-one solution for iced coffees and teas. If you're hosting a large event or running a food service business, this bulk option is ideal. What people say. The straws are a perfect fit for the 16 ounces cups. They are sturdy and don't bend easily. The wide diameter is great for thick drinks like smoothies. Number 3. Glotoch Express 500 PCS Clear Plastic Straws. Introducing our pack of 500 individually wrapped clear plastic straws. Each one is sealed in a paper sleeve for ultimate hygiene, making them easy to use whenever you need them. These straws are 7.75 inches long with a 0.24-inch diameter, making them ideal for both hot and cold beverages. Enjoy your water, juice, tea, or soda with ease. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free, non-toxic plastic, these straws meet strict food safety standards. You can use them with complete confidence. Perfect for a wide range of settings, including restaurants, bars, schools, parties, and everyday use. They are a versatile choice for any beverage service. Keep them readily available on counters or drink stations with the convenient display boxes. You can also toss a few in your bag for convenient sipping anywhere. What we like. Sanitation is paramount with these individually wrapped straws, ensuring a clean experience every time. Their standard size makes them versatile for a wide range of hot and cold drinks. If hygiene and convenience are your top priorities, especially for public settings or on-the-go use, these are the straws for you. What people say. These straws are a perfect fit for my 16 ounces cups. They are sturdy and don't bend easily, even with thicker drinks. The wide diameter is great for milkshakes and smoothies. Number 2. Kindpack 16 ounces disposable coffee cups with lids. Introducing our 16 ounces disposable coffee cups, perfect for both hot and cold beverages. Enjoy your favorite drinks on the go with confidence. These cups are trusted by leading airlines like KLM and Air France. We stand by our quality with a 1-year money-back guarantee. Our cups are 15% thicker than others, providing superior heat insulation and leak protection. Serve hot beverages without worry of spills. The specially designed lids create a tight seal, preventing accidental spills. They stay firmly in place for worry-free transport. With triple insulated ripple walls, these cups keep hot drinks warm while remaining comfortable to hold. Say goodbye to extra sleeves. Made extra thick and sturdy for everyday use, these cups are durable enough to be reused throughout the day. Save money and reduce waste. What we like? Enjoy your hot beverages without the need for extra sleeves, thanks to the triple insulated ripple wall. The leak-free guarantee provides peace of mind for serving hot drinks like coffee and cocoa. If you prioritize comfort and spill prevention for hot beverages, these cups are an excellent choice. What people say. These straws are perfect for my 16-ounce cups, they fit just right. The straws are sturdy and don't get soggy like other brands I've tried. I love that they are individually wrapped, making them hygienic and easy to take on the go. Number 1. 16-ounce clear plastic cups with lids. Introducing our 16-ounce clear plastic cups, made from BPA-free PET plastic. They are crack-resistant and can even be reused after a simple hand wash, making them a sustainable choice for your favorite beverages. Our cups come with flat lids that securely snap on, preventing any leaks or spills. The convenient sip hole allows for easy drinking without the need for a straw, helping to reduce waste. The crystal clear design beautifully displays your colorful drinks like smoothies and iced lattes. You can also personalize them with your own stickers or logos for a unique touch. These disposable cups are ideal for when you're on the move. Simply toss them when finished, and their stackable design makes storage a breeze. Get fantastic value with our bulk pack, which includes 50 cups and 50 strawless lids. Each cup holds a generous 16 ounces of your favorite cold beverage. What we like? Go straw-free and reduce waste with these innovative cups featuring a convenient sip lid. They are designed to be crack-resistant and even reusable with a simple hand wash. If you're environmentally conscious and looking for a practical, modern solution for your cold drinks, these are a fantastic option. What people say. These straws are a perfect fit for my 16 ounces cups. They are sturdy and don't bend easily, even with thick drinks. The wide diameter is great for milkshakes and smoothies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.